हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम रोनक शाह हियर फ्रॉम आईएलटीएस मास्टर क्लास। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं कंप्यूटर बेस्ड आईएलटीएस के बारे में। Earlier we used to have paper based IELTS, but now computer based IELTS has also been introduced. So what we shall do is we will become conversant with the screens, we'll become conversant with the different kinds of adjustments what we do and kind of screen which we are going to see in the computer. So let us get started. Computer based IELTS started in 2017. First of all, it was introduced in Australia and then it came to India. Paper-based IELTS and computer-based IELTS, it is totally same. Test format is same, question types are same, and time which is allotted, that is also same. But there is only minor change as far as computer-based IELTS is concerned, because listening test, you will get only 30 plus 2, that is only 2 minutes extra, and in paper-based IELTS you will get 30 plus 10, so 10 minutes extra you get. IELTS tests in computer base, you will be taking listening, reading, and writing tests in computer. So you will be feeding all your answers in the computer. You will be writing also in the computer. Computer based test will also have speaking test, same as that which is taken by the paper based test. So that will be, you will be facing an interview and one-to-one interview will be there. So what should you do? Should you give computer based IELTS or paper based IELTS? Number one, if you are really tech savvy, if you can use computer very fast, very quickly, if your typing speed is also very good, I think you should go for the computer. But if your typing speed is not very good, then you should go for the paper based test. Some people who don't have very good handwriting, they also opt for the computer based test. For examination, you don't have to have your own laptop, your computer, or your headphone. When you go to the examination center, they will provide you all the things. Here there is an advantage in computer based test. You will get the results within 3 to 5 days. And in paper based test, generally it takes more than 13 days. Okay. So the first test you will be giving in computer based test will be, that will be a listening test. And you will get this kind of screen in the beginning. On top of the screen, there will be a clock so that you can measure the timings, what you have spent and how much time is left. At the end of 5 minutes and 10 minutes, there will be alarm. So it will turn red, the clock will turn red and it will also flicker. So we will get the idea that only very less time is left. When the examination time is over, then screen will stop like this. Different instructions are to be given to you, so they are given on the top of the screen itself. Now you can see down below there is a navigation bar. So when you want to move to one question to another question, you will be able to do it very easily with the help of the navigation bar down below. Now next to this navigation bar, you will see this review button here. Now when you are attending a particular question, when you have already given the answer or not given the answer, but when you press this review button, so that particular question on the navigation bar will have a blue round. So before the time ends, you can recheck those review things which you have put, and you can correct the answer, you can check the answer, you can rewrite the answer. Now, beside this navigation bar, if you don't want to use the navigation bar, there are forward and backward arrows also there. So you can use it and flip from one question to another question very easily. On the side, you can see the scroll bar is there. So you can move the screen up and down. Now, beside this scroll bar, there is a yellow button. And this yellow button shows that if you press that button, that navigation bar will be reduced. So it will not bother you when you are seeing the questions. Now on the right corner, there are three buttons. First one is a setting tab. Second one is a help, and third one is a hide. These are the three buttons. Now this first setting button, when you will tap that thing, dialog box will open and it will show you three things: text size, color, and resolution. It will be showing you like this. So whatever you want to do, if you want to change the color, if you want to change the text size, if you want to change the resolution, all that thing you can do here. Next button is the help button. When you will press the second button here, what you will see is that a dialog box will open and there are again three buttons. Last one, as I show you, task help will guide you regarding the current task which you are attending. And the second one is a taste help. So that will give you the guidance regarding the taste. And extra information also can be given with the last button. As you can see, task help will be given to you regarding the last one is a hide button. Now here is an advantage in computer taste that if you want to take a break, you can press this hide button. And when you press the hide button, taste will stop. And when you come back after taking a break, you will be able to see this resume button and you can click on the resume button and restart your test. In listening test, there is also a navigation bar. अगर आप ठीक से सुन नहीं सकते हैं स्क्रिप्ट्स को, तो then you can increase or reduce this navigation bar here, volume bar here. So different questions will be giving you different instructions. So that will be given to you on the top of the question. When you want to fill up the gap here, you can click on it and your answer will be registered here. Sometimes what you have to do is that you might have to move your answer from one place to the another place, like here. In the empty space, you have to move that answer from here to there. Sometimes you might have to move your answer and put it in a diagram. You might have to pick up from here and might have to put in the diagram here. At the end of the listening test, you will see extra 2 minutes. So you can recheck your review questions or whatever you want to do as far as your answers are concerned, that you can do. You have got extra 2 minutes now. In reading test, the para will appear on the left on this side and questions will appear on the right side. You will be able to see the scroll bar here. These two scroll bars are there. So use the scroll bar to see the entire question or entire full text. You might have to click a particular answer to register your answer. If you find that answer is not correct, if you want to change it, then you can re-click that answer and again click the right answer according to what you think. Again, in the blank space, you might have to click and register your answer accordingly, like this. In this box, you can click and register your answer. In the para and heading, what you have to do is that you have to click the para, click the heading, and then drag it to the particular location, which is empty space provided to you. So you will be able to answer the questions of para and heading like that. If you want to highlight the text, then you have to select the text and then you have to left click and the box will open that will show you that how you can highlight. If you want to remove the highlight, you have to select the text and right click the selected text, then option will appear and you can remove the highlight, that is a particular highlight or complete highlight, whatever you want to remove, you can remove with that. You can also add the note here. So what you can do is that you can select the text again, and then on that text you can do the right click and a note will appear, and you can write in the note. Your note will be saved. Now if you want to recheck your note, then what you have to do is that you have to move your cursor on the yellow text, and you will be able to find the orange button. And when you click on the orange button, you will be able to see your notes, so that you can again read your notes, you can use your notes. As far as writing sections are concerned, friends, there are two parts, and they will be highlighted like this: part 1 here and part 2 here. And you can select any part, whichever you want to attend first. अगर आप part 2 करना चाहते हैं, you can take part 2 first, and you can select part 1 if you want to do that. There are two sections here. You can there is an empty space provided to you in the right, and question is put forward to you in front of you in the left side. So what you have to do is that you have to write here in the empty space, and you don't have to save it. At the end, it will be saved automatically. Whatever you have written, it will be saved automatically. For reading and writing test, clock will turn red for giving you the alarm, and it will also flicker, so you will get the idea that 5 and 10 minutes are only left. So friends, what I have done is that I have shown you the computer screen, what you will be seeing in the computer IELTS test. And we have seen certain buttons and how you can use those buttons and how you can move in your computer based IELTS. If you have any queries regarding any part of IELTS, you can write in the comment below this YouTube and below YouTube video, or you can write to us, or you can call us. I have given you the numbers. Wish you all the very best for all the preparation for IELTS. This is Ronak Shah signing off. Ciao.